Today we're making lemon ricotta pancakes, and don't worry, you do not taste the ricotta, it just makes the pancakes moist and fluffy, and we're topping it with a whipped blueberry butter, and I'm showing you how to make a blueberry sauce that you can put on ice cream or pancakes, of course, and even oatmeal. Now it's on your table in under 20 minutes, and the results are chef's kiss. Now if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's get to it.
Let's start by making our blueberry sauce so it has time to cool. In a medium pan on medium heat, add in the blueberries, water, sugar, and vanilla extract. I'm also adding in about a tablespoon of fresh lemon zest. Make sure not to get the white part of the lemon because this will have a super bitter taste, which we don't want in our blueberry sauce. You'll simmer this on low for 6 to 8 minutes and then add in the cornstarch slurry and let simmer for another minute or so it thickens. This is the consistency that we're looking for. Then set it aside and let it cool. To start our dry batter, we've got all-purpose flour, baking soda, salt, and baking powder. You're going to combine that, then set aside. We want to separately combine our sugar and lemon zest. Using your fingers, you'll massage them together for about a minute. Massaging them together releases the essential oils into the sugar, and it avoids having clumps of lemon zest in your batter. You'll then add the sugar and lemon zest mixture into your dry ingredients and combine well. For our wet batter, we've got eggs, buttermilk, ricotta cheese, melted butter, fresh lemon juice, and vanilla. Give that a mix and try not to splash yourself. I'm always making a mess. And make sure to combine well. You'll then make a well in your dry ingredients and add in your wet batter. I'm using a spatula to gently fold in the ingredients. You want to make sure not to overmix, so just fold until all the flour pockets are gone, and it's okay if there are lumps. Lumps are actually good. I'm using my crepe pan, but any non-stick pan will do. You'll melt your butter on medium heat, and I like to use an ice cream scooper to measure my batter. It makes it super easy and guarantees that all my pancakes are the same size. And I cook these for about 3 to 4 minutes per side. You can just use your spatula and do a little peek before flipping if you're not sure. So a little backstory on these pancakes. There is a really cute brunch place in LA called Lunetta All Day, and that's where I first tried these pancakes, and I was so obsessed, so I tried to recreate them, and I was so happy with how they came out. Lunetta is like an hour away from me, so being able to recreate it at home saves me so much time and money, of course. But I do love when other people cook for me, and they have so many other delicious things on the menu, so I will definitely still go when I can. So if you're ever in LA, you've gotta check them out. Their pancakes are so delicious, but if you're not, I recreate it for you here. And now for my favorite, our whipped blueberry butter. Put your half a cup of softened butter, which I softened to room temperature, powdered sugar, and a 1/4 cup of the chilled blueberry sauce we made earlier. And you'll place that in your food processor and blend it well until a whipped butter is formed, just like this. And yes, we're gonna have extra blueberry sauce left over, but I'll show you what to do with that next. And now you can package up your extra blueberry sauce. Try not to make a mess like me. You can use it on things like ice cream, toast, oatmeal. It's so good. To put it all together, stack your pancakes as high as you want. Top it with that whipped blueberry butter. I like to add some maple syrup. You can even add more blueberry sauce, and there you go.
I'm gonna get some more of this blueberry butter because it's my favorite part. The ricotta makes it so fluffy, and it's not too sweet. So honestly, you can do the blueberry butter or the maple syrup. I like to do both, and it is delicious. You've got to try it. Let me know how you like it.